Well, today folks, we're going to put a door on this barn, and it's going to be a rolling door. Let's go take a look at some of the hardware. Let's go take a look up here. Here's the box track, the box channel. It attaches right to the 2x frame of the barn. The best buy I could find was at Coastal, 75 bucks for a 12-foot piece. The trucks slide right inside. There is an angle mount that could be mounted here to offset your door, or you can go right into the 2x. Either way is fine. The bolt gets screwed down as a stop, keeps your truck from sliding out. We're right in the middle now where the two pieces join. This is one piece on the left, this is another piece on the right. This is a connector. These two lock in, these two bolts. 12 foot that way, 12 foot that way. We want the width of the door to match our siding. We want our siding to butt up against the other siding. So we'll measure to match the siding alignment. That's going to make our door, let's call it 144. That'll get us out there a ways. We're going to make a very simple frame, the same width, 144 wide. The height is going to match the same height as the opening, 10 feet exactly. The frame is a very simple 2x2 screw together, 3-inch wood screws. It's sitting on top of 2x4s. The corner is strengthened with a piece of 2x6, and there's that L bracket I was talking about earlier. The L bracket I use for the corners just adds more strength. We'll attach one piece of siding. We'll use a T-square, straighten it, make sure your frame is square, and attach with sheet metal screws. We use the T-square to start off, make sure we're square to our frame. Make sure you're nice and square there. Then we're going to use a spacer board to space our top piece. Here's our spacer board. And that'll make sure we follow a consistent edge along the top also. T-square, square, spacer board, flush. Now we'll screw it down. That was our last of our 8-foot pieces. Take a look here. We used our alignment jig each time. Came out just right. Nice and straight, nice and true all the way down. We're going to put the roller truck in now. Lay it out with the black marks, semi-even. Check it with the spacer. These couple are just a simple mount. They drill right through the frame. Right in the center. Real easy.
I can lift that. You gonna go this way? Okay, like that.
Set it down.
Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is better.
You lift it?
Yep, you ready? You have to use your foot to get that box under. It's heavy. You ready?
Yeah.
You're in.
Keep going?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah, I can.
Little up. We're in. Okay, that should be all the way now.
Okay.
That should be all the way.
Is this right?
Slide her a little more.
Yep. Up.
Oh, silly. Think good. Good. Coming in. We're in.
Yeah. Dude, that looks awesome. Wow.
I built a real nice frame to fit the bottom. This is the bottom fold flap. This will hinge up. Real basic, real simple, real cheap. Got it fucking in the middle. Yes, sir. Okay, hang on. Yes, sir. Push her in.
This one?
Yeah, I'm on the inside of this one. I'm sure I'll be on the outside.
Well, we got our vent door laid on top of the main door. We offset the ridges just a tiny bit so it folds up nice and tight. And now we're going to put some hinges on. We'll take the hinge, we'll center the hinge, clamp and attach. We're going to mount the hinges to our vent flap. Trace it out, use the router, cut back the wood, and the hinge will recess in and sit real flush. We got our notch cut out. We'll put our hinge in. We have a number 12 by 1.5 inch screw, nice heavy one. Number 3 Phillips head. We got all the hinges set in. They set in nice and flush. And let's see how it hinges. Very nice. Nice snug gap at the top. This will work real well. Good ventilation. Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, we got about a foot high. I gotta go up a foot.
Here I go.
Oh yeah, she's full heavy now. I'm in. Come forward. Hold up. Back up. There. Forward slow. Up, up. Ah, I got you a second one in. Third one's in. Number 4.
Oh, kosher. Something on it.
Take a look at what we did over here. Two by 4 ripped down to 2 3/4. It fits the gap perfect. Takes up the space, makes the door hang real nice and vertical. The pulley lifts the flap hinge. Good ventilation. A couple fans could sit right there, blowing in cold air or blowing out smoky air. You don't need 5 rollers up here. I put 5 because I had 5 and I didn't want them laying on the workbench. Let me show you some other examples real quick. This door only has 2 rollers. 1 and 2. Much heavier duty 2 by 4 framing. The top is a 2 by 6 and only needs 2 rollers. Rolls real easy. Rolls just fine with 2 rollers. Only put 5 if you have them and you don't want them laying around. This one has 4 rollers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's only about a 7 to 8 foot wood door, 10 feet wide. Rolls real easy. The hangers say 24 inches on center. So if you have light duty hangers or a light duty box rail, put them at 24 inches on center. I think mine are closer to 3 feet. But this is a light duty door.